Welcome to Think Studio, where art meets engineering. So what is the most important part in the product design? It is the user, right? And this lab focuses on the user. So here what we do usability assessment, we do user research, and to look it beautiful, we do industrial design and styling, and to look it great on the shelf, we do packaging design.
The first step is user research, which consists of face-to-face interviews, surveys, and usability assessments to gather data which we then interpret to understand and define the customer needs. Then we focus on styling and making the ideas visual by coming up with concept sketches that bring out the functionality and aesthetic appeal of the products. The next step is 3D modeling and mechanical design of the various parts involved and integrating them into one whole product. Then comes packaging design, which comprises of transit packaging to ensure the safety of products, and then point of sale packaging, which makes them fly off store shelves. Finally, we quickly prototype and test the designs using 3D printing. Here you can see a controller housing that was printed for a test fit.
I'll show you some of the products what we have designed. This is the helmet cooler what we have designed. This is the PLC controller. This is the ruggedized tablet what we have designed. And I'll show you some of the other components like bathroom accessories, medical devices. Then we have some of the cleaning components. Then we have steering wheel. And we have some packaging boxes what we have designed. So this is the HVAC controller, and the product will go inside, and this will be a single piece design.